This is Kling 2.6.
Yeah, from the bottom to the top, I'm shining bright like a star. Brooklyn streets raise me tough out through the dark. Gold chain swinging, flow hits hard, grinding daily, never bored. Now I'm living in the light, this is my life, raw and hardcore. Yeah, from the bottom to the top.
How good is that, guys? So you literally don't even have to download audio into this software. You just simply prompt it what you want the image to look like and what you want him to say and sing about. So when you want someone to sing, you put little brackets or speech bubbles, and that tells the software that you want them to sing. Absolutely incredible. So much better than VO 3.1 and Sora 2. I'm going to show you a couple of videos, but more importantly, there's something that I'm going to show you because there's going to be thousands and thousands of videos from different creators pumping this up, telling you how awesome it is. However, most of you aren't going to be using it, and I'm going to show you why. Let's just quickly go over a couple more. It is amazing software.
Yo, pavement the stage, flow lit crowd going wild. Mic in my grip, dreams unchained, let the rhythm ride by. Bar 5 frames, keep the energy high. This is how we fly, need to deny. Grenade, guards bit fire, make the moment my street born. Rhythm, let time shine. Yo.
Pretty impressive. This one here.
In this tranquil morning, I found my way. With dreams in my heart, there's light in my...
Pretty cool, this one.
And I will try to fix you all night long.
Okay, so as you can see, it's so much better than what is currently on the market. Like way better than Sora 2, way better than VO 3.1. So if you go to klingai.com, you can have a look at this yourself. I'll put this in the description and you can just watch these videos yourself. I don't want to take too much of your time. But the reason why I'm doing this video is I know there's going to be thousands and thousands of people on YouTube, on TikTok, on Facebook, literally everywhere, telling you how amazing this software is. And they're going to be doing 10-15 minute videos because they want to make money through monetization. However, 99.9% of you aren't going to be using this, and this is why I'm doing this video. So even though it's impressive, it's very important that I tell you the truth. Okay, so I tested this software out before and I used Donald Trump. So I'll go back here.
Huge. The best song, folks. Nobody makes songs like this, believe me.
Okay, so I typed in here, visual Brooklyn, New York, in front of graffiti, blah, 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 blah. That, okay. So this was the original that I did.
Nobody makes songs like this, believe me. I woke up in Mar-a-Lago, toilet flushing, could service in the highway, doing the Trump. Huge, the best song, folks. Nobody makes songs like this, believe me. I woke up in
So I'm literally just testing the software out here. I then redid it, and I'll play this.
Huge. The best song, folks. Nobody makes songs like this, believe me.
Okay, so it's pretty impressive. However, what I want you guys to realize is that cost me 50 credits. So it says 100 generate, which is 100 credits. Each of these videos costed me 5 credits, 50 credits. So it went for 5 seconds each, as you can see here, 5 seconds. And this one here is 5 seconds. Now, all up in total, so 10 seconds, it's 100 credits this costed me to do a 10-second video. Now, even though it's impressive and I've showed you how amazing it is, what I want you guys to realize and pay attention to is look at the quality that it did for me.
Best song, folks.
It's not amazing. You know it's AI. However, look at these videos that they've done. They would have done hundreds and hundreds of videos and picked the best ones. So most of you guys at home that will be doing this yourself, you might have to spend $20 to $30 to get one amazing video. This is what most people won't tell you. So Kling AI, they're not just going to do one video and go, that'll do. They're going to literally pump out 50 to 100 different videos and use their best video because they want to sell the software. You've just seen the video that I did isn't amazing. Okay, so I might have to do this 20 times, maybe 50 times to get something amazing like Kling has. Now, here's what people aren't going to tell you, and here's what I'm going to tell you because I don't want to BS you. That video took me 50 credits and 50 credits. So a 10-second video is going to cost you 100 credits. If you look at the membership here, look at this. So it's currently on sale. Look at this. It says You get 660 credits per month, as low as $1.33 per 100 credits. Now look at this, 33 standard videos and 3. So this looks really good. Oh my God, you get thousands of images for only $7, and you get 33 standard videos. Oh my God. What they don't tell you is this is the standard videos. No one's going to be using this anymore. This is old, yeah? What people are going to be using this software for is 2.6, so Kling 2.6, which is the amazing videos that you've just seen here. And one of these videos is going to cost you $1.33. See how it says as low as $1.33? So that's on the low end of the scale. So it's going to cost you $1.33 USD, which is maybe almost $2 Australian, but at $1.33 USD to do one video on 2.6. This is what they don't tell you, because here you think that you're getting 33 videos of 2.6. That is not the case. As I said, one video is going to cost you 100 credits. So it's going to cost you $7. So $7 a month, and you're probably only going to get done six little videos. And like I said before, you're probably going to need to produce 10, 20, 30 different videos to get one really good one. So if you're thinking about using this to create like a music video, you'll probably have to spend hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars to create a music video that goes for a minute. Yeah. So even though it's fantastic software, even though it's incredible software, it's very, very expensive. So again, these videos here, they've probably generated this 10, 20, 30, 40 times to get a really good one. You're not going to get something like this done on your first 5 tries. Maybe you get lucky, who knows? But they're only going to be using the best videos here. So don't think that you're going to sign up, you're going to get a membership, and all your videos are going to be amazing. It's not the case. And it's going to cost you $1.33 per 10-second video.